Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you chapter 9 ratio analysis question number 1. Ratio analysis. Question number 1. You see the question, what is asked? You are asked to calculate current ratio. So you should know the formula before doing the sums. The first thing you have to learn all the formulas. If you know the formulas, then it will be easy for you to calculate the ratios. Okay. So current ratio. What is the formula for current ratio? Current assets divided by current liabilities. Current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. See the question. I read the question, just see. Then we move to the sum. Calculate the current ratio from the following information. Current investments 40,000, inventories 2 lakh, trade debtors 1 lakh 20,000, bills receivable 80,000, cash and cash equivalents 10,000, fixed assets 5 lakh, trade creditors 80,000, bills payable 50,000, expenses payable 20,000, non-current liability 3 lakh. So the formula is current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. So you have to know which are current assets and which are current liabilities. So in this question, which are the current assets? Current investments, inventories, trade debtors, bills receivable, cash and cash equivalents. All these 5 items are current assets. So first you have to take and write the current assets. Okay. So first write current assets. Current assets is equal to current investments, inventories, that is stock, trade debtors plus bills receivable plus cash and cash equivalents. All that are equal to cash. Okay. Current investments, inventories, trade debtors, bills receivable plus cash and cash equivalents. All these are all current assets. Okay. So write the amount of current asset. 40,000 plus 2 lakh plus 1 lakh 20,000 plus 80,000 plus 10,000. So if you add all that, you will get 4 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now find out which are all current liabilities. Current liabilities is equal to the current, identify the current liabilities. Trade creditors, bills payable, expenses payable. These 3 are current liabilities. Okay. So write trade creditors plus bills payable plus expenses payable. So write that also. 80,000 plus 50,000 plus 20,000. So add all that, you will get 1 lakh 50,000. Now you got current assets and current liabilities. Take and substitute in the formula. So current assets is 4 lakh 50,000. Current liabilities is 1 lakh 50,000. So that will give you 3:1. Current ratio you have to write in proportion. Okay, ratio 3:1, like that you have to write. Okay, then all the profitability ratios you have to write in percentage, and all the turnover ratios you have to write in times. Okay, is it clear? All the solvency ratios you have to put in proportion. Liquidity ratio and the solvency ratio you have to write in proportion. Profitability ratio you have to write in percentage, and all the turnover ratios you have to put in times. Okay, so this current ratio, it comes under liquidity ratio, so you have to write as 3:1. Okay, only one thing you should know how you should know to identify the current assets and the current liabilities, then take and substitute in the formula. Okay. Question number 2, page number 320. Calculate quick ratio. Total current liabilities rupees 2,40,000, total current assets rupees 4,50,000, inventories rupees 70,000, prepaid expenses rupees 20,000. In this question you are asked to calculate quick ratio. Okay. So question number 2. Quick ratio. So quick ratio is equal to quick assets divided by current liabilities. Okay. First find out what are quick assets. Quick assets is equal to current assets minus inventories minus prepaid expenses. So this is the formula: current assets minus inventories minus prepaid expenses. That will give you quick assets. So how much current assets? 4,50,000 minus 70,000 inventories minus 20,000. Okay, so that will give you 3,60,000. Current liabilities already given. Current liabilities is equal to 2,40,000. Okay, so you got quick assets. How to calculate quick assets? Take current assets, from that you minus inventories or stock. Inventories is otherwise called as what? Stock. Okay, subtract that, subtract prepaid expenses, you will get quick assets. Current liabilities is already given there. Now take this and put it in the formula. So 3,60,000 divided by 2,40,000. So that will give you 1.5:1. Okay. So this is how you have to calculate quick ratio. Use the formula, substitute and get the answer. Again, quick ratio is also coming under liquidity ratio. So all liquidity ratio you have to write in proportion. Okay. Next we'll move to question number 3. Question number 3, page number 320. I'll read the question. Just listen. What is asked? You are asked to calculate current ratio and quick ratio. Okay. Following is the balance sheet of Lakshmi Limited as on 31st March 2019. Equity and liabilities. Shareholders funds is given. Equity share capital is given. Non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings. Current liabilities, short-term borrowings. Trade payables. Other current liabilities, expenses payable. Short-term provisions. Assets, non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible assets, current assets, inventories, trade debtors, cash and cash equivalents, other current assets, prepaid expenses total. Calculate current ratio, quick ratio. So you are asked to calculate current ratio and quick ratio. So what is the formula for current ratio? Question number 3. Current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. Okay. So find out the current assets. So current assets is equal to, you see the question, it is clearly given what are the current assets. So write inventories plus trade debtors plus cash and cash equivalents plus prepaid expenses. All these are coming under current assets. So take and write 1,60,000 plus 3,20,000 plus 80,000 plus 40,000. So add all that. So you will get 6 lakh. Okay. Next, write current liabilities. Current liabilities is equal to short term borrowings plus trade payables plus expenses payable. So all these are current liabilities. Okay. Plus short term provisions. Short term provisions. All these are current liabilities. Okay. 50,000 plus 3,10,000 plus 15,000 plus 25,000. Okay, so add all that, you will get 4 lakh. Current liabilities 4 lakh. So current assets is 6 lakh, current liabilities is 4 lakh. So take and substitute in the formula. 6 lakh divided by 4 lakh. So that will give you 1.5:1. Next, what is asked? Same third question, you are asked to calculate quick ratio. Okay, same question, quick ratio. Quick ratio is equal to quick assets divided by current liabilities. Okay, so quick assets you have to calculate. Quick assets is equal to current assets minus current assets minus inventories minus prepaid expenses. Okay, so current assets is how much? Just now you calculated current assets. You have total current assets. So total current assets is how much? 6 lakh. You have calculated already current assets. Okay, 6 lakh. From that you deduct inventories and prepaid. Inventories is 1,60,000 and prepaid is 40,000. So that will give you, so you will get 4 lakh. Okay, so quick assets is 4 lakh, current liabilities is 4 lakh. So just take and substitute here. 4 lakh divide by 4 lakh. So that will give you 1:1. Okay.